Stoicism, Part 2. There are common misconceptions of such terms as Stoic, philosophy, endure, and I'd like to take a moment and clarify these definitions in accordance to their nature and application. It is supposed that a Stoic is a person with a will strong enough to not give a heck about any mishaps in life, a kind of non-emotional weirdo. While this has similar taste to what a Stoic does during the hardships, it is far too narrow a description. A Stoic accepts whatever happens with gratitude, but with no extra excitement. He certainly does have emotions, but refrains from being driven by them. It is voluntarily the same intensity of an event for him, whether it is a bliss or a stroke of fate. In other words, a Stoic is not bothered by things outside his control, while still trying to get more of the good and less of the bad, and being very definite at what and how he is judging. The term philosophy has two generalized meanings these days. First, an overcomplicated study of how life is approached and how the thoughts are thought. Second, some definite personal approach to life. Both are not too far, yet far too shallow explanations. The word itself is translated from Greek as love of wisdom. It defines, in any its kind, the core values of a life and proves them with the help of logical thinking. Its main aim is to develop and apply the best possible approach to life in accordance with the values. It is somewhat subjective, but is always aimed on improving and adjusting when needed with any updates that make it better. A good kind of explanation would be this quote from Seneca. When one says he knows philosophy but doesn't live a happy life, one does not know philosophy. Philosophy, however, not only helps to be happy, most importantly, it helps to find out what it means to be happy. Now, to endure. Sounds like it already has a negative implication connected with some kind of suffering. But the thing is that suffering in itself cannot be put in or caused to you, as it is not a fact of reality. It is always our judgment, and our judgments can and should be controlled by us alone. All in all, one can endure a hardship without suffering, moreover, even learning from it. Every behavior is a choice that can as well be made by us. Shouldn't we all get to make them?